Fear of financial failure. Fear of financial failure is the worry that money problem will become permanent or uncontrollable, and with practice it becomes trust you can rebuild step by step through clear actions. Now let's learn how to overcome this through a short story. Tariq felt anxious whenever bills arrived. He feared making a mistake and felt ashamed to look at his numbers. He decided to replace fear with a simple plan, one responsible action at a time. Discover. Tariq noticed visually fear images of debt piling up, bills overdue, and being judged, and he recognized these images as fear stories, not facts. Tariq heard auditorily thoughts saying, I will never recover and am not good with money, and he identified them as discouraging scripts. Tariq felt kinesthetically panic signals like tight chest, racing heart, and insomnia, and he treated them as signs that he needed structure. Tariq noticed olfactorily that bank notifications and bill emails triggered fear instantly, even before he opened them. Tariq noticed gustatorily appetite changes and stress cravings whenever he thought about finances. Involve. Tariq turned fear into clarity, visually by writing a simple list: bills, income, minimum payment, and one focus goal for the month. He chose one focus only. Tariq used auditorily a stabilizing line and repeated it calmly. I handle this step by step. Tariq took kinesthetically one productive action the same day by paying one bill or setting one payment reminder, and he felt the fear reduce when action began. Tariq used olfactorily a fresh air reset before reviewing numbers because a calm body helped him make clearer decisions. Tariq sipped gustatorily water while checking statements so anxiety slowed and impulsive decisions decreased. Visualize. Tariq pictured visually improvements month by month with fewer worries and better habits. Tariq auditorily an encouraging inner voice saying, I'm improving, I'm learning, and I'm becoming stable. Tariq imagined kinesthetically calm confidence as he stayed responsible with small, consistent steps. Tariq imagined olfactorily relief after fresh air after completing his money review. Tariq imagined gustatorily tea after one responsible action, reinforcing the feeling of recovery. Engage. Tariq created visually a simple emergency plan that included a minimum monthly budget and a small emergency savings. Tariq built auditorily reassurance from facts by reading the numbers weekly instead of listening to fear. Tariq built kinesthetically stability through routine by choosing the same day each week for money review. Tariq used olfactorily one calm scent during money planning so his brain associated finances with steadiness. Tariq protected gustatorily his emotional balance by maintaining steady meals and hydration because fear felt worse when he was physically depleted.